All right, the first exercise. Bob, go ahead.
Grab the handrail on a step and swing your leg back.
Right. So your leg is relaxed. Everything is relaxed. So your leg, imagine it being like a pendulum. And you can leave it swing forward in front of you a little bit, but keep the knees straight on this. Bring it back with your knees straight. It's going to work the hip a little bit more. Do 10 to 20 of these. All right. I have done a lot of patients with hip pain. Had them do this exercise oftentimes, more than not.
Some relief.
Decrease in pain. Works good while you're doing it as well as after. We're going to show you why in just a second. All right, this is why this exercise works so well. As long as you learn to relax all the muscles surrounding the hip joint. If the hip joint has arthritic or it's tight causing pain, when you relax and swing the leg back and forth, the weight of the leg will pull and actually separate that joint. This is exaggerated.
It's like traction.
Yep, just like traction with movement. Allows synovial fluid to enter the joint, reduces friction, reduces pain, and wonderful things happen.
Beautiful.
It's a wonderful thing. We're going to show you how to finish it off. Okay, the second half of this exercise is you continue to use your leg like a pendulum, but instead of emphasizing the backward motion, you're going to bring the knee up and let it drop back down. Get a little flexion in there. And if you want to just swing it back and forth without doing it, and every second or third one, bring the knee up. You do this depending on how it feels. If it feels good, just swinging it back and forth, and everything's relaxed, that's fine. This can be an added option depending on what you like. So we're going to show you one more thing if you want a little more traction and a little more exercise. All right, to get a little more traction on the leg, a little more resistance, simply put an ankle weight around the ankle. I've got 3 pounds here for Bob, so we're going to stretch him out good and just let it work. Now, I've had patients that do not have ankle weights, and I simply say, get a winter boot or a steel toe boot, something that weighs a couple pounds, and that can be plenty adequate, and you don't have to worry about buying a leaded ankle weight like this. How you doing, Bob?
I'm doing great.
Yeah, now you got to make sure you do it on both ankles because you're going to get taller. It's stretching that leg out.
Right.
So make sure you do both legs equally. Have a good day and be careful and work those hips well.